Venture building brings together business-savvy individuals or co-founders to support innovators or founders that are springing from the academia. So these co-founders come in to provide support necessary to commercialize the innovations that we are supporting under the academia or under the institutions of higher learning. So today provided an opportunity for these ventures to showcase what they've been doing and also to showcase how the co-founders have supported them in scaling up and commercialization of their businesses. So they got to pitch to an audience of investors, corporates, and also incubators and accelerators who can also come in to provide further support to them.
The experience has been great. I'm currently supporting the innovators in commercializing the technology. The technology itself involves cleaning wastewater from tanneries, making it useful to be reused within the tannery itself, and also for building up the revenue of the company. We had a couple of challenges. I think number one to do with at least the availability of the innovators themselves to be present and to run the business. I think that has been the biggest challenge. The innovators themselves, they are employees of the university, so they are quite occupied day to day in the activities of the university. But we've been able to do quite a lot of lab tests, a lot of piloting at Sagana tanneries, and so we've made some good progress there. I think the other really big challenge is we are yet to really lock a specific customer who will pay us for the solution. It's a bit early, but the progress is slow as we head towards that. Moving on to the current program with the angel investing environment, I think it is a really good step in the right direction. Myself, I started my entrepreneurship journey way back in 2009, and if I compare then and now, the space has changed quite significantly. Then we were really going out to look for the investors. Right now, there are even more and more platforms to be able to allow us to reach out to investors to pitch our businesses and to be able to successfully get funding. So overall, I think this is a really positive step in the right direction for us to get capital to businesses and to grow those businesses.
As Cracksfox, we are really appreciative of the opportunity to come to the Africa Angels Academy pitch. And today was such a wonderful day to get insights from angel investors as we were doing our pitch. We have managed to get nearly 3 contacts who we are going to follow up and see how it's going to turn out to be sales for us. The R2C program, as a co-founder, has been very instrumental in coming up with a go-to-market strategy. It has allowed us the opportunity to test our product and what the market is saying, which has given us insights into areas such as branding. We have been able to brand. We have tried the pricing and being able to respond to the needs that we have found the customers asking for. What we have managed to do right now is, like, now we are toying with the idea of coming up with a bigger packaging, because then we find our customers, such as contractors, want our product in higher quantities than what we had thought would be the quantities we want to take to market. So now we are thinking about a 50 kg bag, 10, 20 kg bag. This is because then the customers want to use our product at higher quantities, unlike the quantities that we had of 500 grams to 1 kg.